This is the first year I knew they were doing Battle of the Bands for Culture Shock. We just kind of signed up at the last minute. Basically, we just put our stuff in, made it through like the preliminary round. Didn't recognize really any of the bands that we were playing against, so we did a little bit of scouting. Not too much though. I remember playing a lot of Battle of the Bands in high school, just getting way too much like into trying to figure out how to beat the bands rather than play our best show. On top of that, we're friends with most of the people that I found out that are in those bands. In terms of preparation, I mean, we really do anything else special. We rehearse like every week, at least twice a week. Got 3 songs that are familiar to us and familiar to people that like us. We were originally scheduled for 10:45, but a couple of guys were playing in a recital at the music building that night, so we had to switch to 7:30, which was like, you know, the second fucking slot or something. The sun was still out, and it was really awkward, and there's not that many people there, but, you know, it was a good feeling that, like, we had people trickling afterwards that recognized our name and could put us down or to move on. Yeah, no, it was fun, besides getting, you know, electrocuted by the microphone a few times. It was run smoother, I guess, than I expected it would be. We played like a half an hour after when we were supposed to play, but you gotta kind of expect that thing at any kind of show, I suppose. Battle of the Bands is like a big thing in high school. The spirit of competition is cool because it brings out the best in bands and the worst, I guess. But in high school it was fun because like we were all so young and playing with all of our friends. For the most part, Battle of the Bands is just like a reason to like annoy your friends. Obviously, I gotta be able to market myself and promote myself, but I don't like being that dude like, oh, you guys gotta buy like 25 tickets or we're gonna lose. Like, come on, man. Like, I don't like doing that to people. If people really like our music and like support us, then they'll come out. I don't really want to have to like pull their legs that much.